Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to fix the issue where your brightness slider is not working on your Windows. So let's just jump into the video and get started. Start by pressing Windows plus I and accessing your device's settings. For that, from here look out for the display settings. So you can go over to the system option, and from here look out for display, band it up, and within display you can try adjusting this brightness slider right here. And if it's grayed out, keep going, we'll fix it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can update our display adapter or driver. So hit Windows plus X for that, search for device manager here, hit enter, and access the device manager from your device. Now we can expand the display adapters from the section. Go ahead and find display adapters, expand it up, and from here right click on your GPU and this one right here, and go ahead and update driver and update it. You may just head over and search automatically for the drivers or browse your computers for drivers manually. If this does not work, you can visit their official site and look out for the manufacturer's update itself within their site. Apart from that, you can reinstall the display driver itself within your display adapters here. You can right click on your GPU and look out for this install device option instead. And once you confirm it up and delete it, you can restart your Windows, and Windows should reinstall the driver itself. Apart from that, enable generic PNP monitor. So again, hit Windows plus X and go to your devices manager. And once you go to your devices manager, you can right click on generic PNP monitor from there. Go ahead and look out for this monitor section, expand it up and find your monitor. Right click on it and you can look out for the option of properties. And you may just go over and enable it if this option is not enabled. This one right here, and also update your driver, and that is it. Also check your power settings. You can close this up and hit Windows plus R for that. Once you hit Windows plus R, you can go ahead and type in power cfg.cpl and hit enter. And once you hit enter, this will open up. You can just go over and click on plan settings here and this one right here, and you can make it the change to advanced powers, and you can make it of your choice. You can just go over and change your advanced power settings and do so. Apart from that, you may also run the Windows troubleshooter. Hit Windows plus I for that and go to your system settings. Within your system settings, you may scroll down, go to the troubleshoot section and find it up. Once you open it up, you can look out for other troubleshooters. And within here, you can just go over and run the power and hardware and devices troubleshooters. So look out for hardware and devices troubleshooter and just go ahead and click on this run option, and it should detect any kind of issues and solve it itself. And that is it, everybody. These are the solutions you can follow up to fix the issue when your brightness slider is not working on Windows. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.